Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jumi and I make yummy food recipes. Today I'll be making this yummy millet beneficial drink. This drink is common in the northern part of Nigeria and it is called Kunu Zaki. So for this recipe, I'll be using millet and white guinea corn. I'll be using 2 cups of millet and 1.5 cups of white guinea corn. I'll also be using a quarter cup of dried tiger nuts. This is optional, you can skip this. So these my grains have been washed before, so you need to wash your grain before soaking. I have washed my grains before, so I won't be washing it for now. So I'll be soaking it with enough water for 24 hours. I'm going to soak this and cover it up for 24 hours. This is what it looks like after soaking for 24 hours. You can see it has fermented. So the next thing I'll be doing is washing my grains. You see, after fermentation, I need to wash the grains so that my kunu can last longer. I won't blend it straight ahead. I'm going to wash this till the water is clear. You can see how colored the water looks. You can go ahead to blend immediately, but this might not make your kunu last longer. So I'm going to wash this till my water is clean and clear before I go ahead to blend. Now the water is clean and clear. I'm just going to rinse this off and transfer it into a clean bowl. And here it is, very ready for blending. These are the other ingredients I'll be blending alongside with my grains. I have sweet potato and I have cloves and also I have ginger. I have dried ginger. You can use fresh ginger too. So I'll be blending this alongside with my millet. I'll scoop in 2 cups of my grains into the potato, the clove, and the ginger. I'm going to scoop this and I'll be blending them separately. I'll be blending the plain grain separately and the one with the spices separately. And here we have it. This is the one without the spice. This is the plain grain. And this is one that has spices in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is the one with the spice. I'm going to pour in boiling water into it. Make sure the water is very hot because we're going to be making this like pap. So I'm going to pour in the boiling water into the grains without spice. Remember, the one without spice, that's the one we'll be pouring the hot water into it. So after pouring in the hot water, I'm going to cover this up and set this aside for 4 hours or more, like 4 to 8 hours. So this is it after I have set it aside for 4 hours. By this time, the mixture is now cool, like it is cool and it is going to be watery. It won't be thick as pap, it's going to be watery like this after it has gotten cold. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to transfer the mixture with spice into the mixture without spice. So make sure you take note of these steps. I'm going to transfer this into it and mix the two together. After it's well combined, the next thing to do now is to sieve. Make sure your hands are well washed before you sieve your millet drink. I'll be using this chiffon cloth to sieve my millet drink. You can also use cheesecloth or your mesh sieve. You can use that to sieve it twice if that works for you, but I'll be using a chiffon cloth to sieve the millet drink. So I'll be using my hand to squeeze out the drink from the chiffon bag, just like the way I'm doing. Make sure you are careful so that you don't create a lot of mess in your kitchen. Kunuzaki drink is very beneficial for the health, especially for people with diabetes, because it helps lower the blood sugar. It helps control the blood sugar, so it has a lot of benefit. It is high in magnesium and potassium, which has a lot of benefits to the body. So you can try this drink at home. It is very, very healthy. This is the final result. You can add sugar, you can add dates, you can add honey, you can even add condensed milk. It depends on your preference, and you can even drink it the way it is. So this is the final result. Our konuzaki, it is ready to be consumed. So you can also add some ice block into the kunu for you to enjoy it while it's chilled, and you can also transfer it into bottles and keep it refrigerated for days. If you have any questions and contribution on how to make kunu, please drop it in the comments section. If you watched to this moment, thank you so much for staying tuned. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you're not. Thank you so much for watching once again. Till I come your way next time, stay safe. Bye.